Now let's enter some facts related to this topic. I use a list tag to enter facts. Since I want to apply a symbol to the items in this list, I use an under-ordered list or the UL tag. From the 17th line, I open a UL tag. Now, I open a LI tag in the middle of these tags. I will now cut the sentence after using the toilet below and paste it in the LI tag in the 18th line. Now I open a LI tag from the 19th line. Cut the sentence that starts with after coughing and paste it in this line. Now in the 20th line, I open a LI tag and cut the sentence before meals or handling food below and paste it in this line. Now open a LI tag from the 21st line and paste it from this line. This list ends with the UL closing tag in the 22nd line. Now let's see the output. Now click the refresh icon in the previously opened preview window. Since we created this UL tag inside the div tag called div.img, these list items are also centered. Also, I want to use an asterisk mark instead of this bullet. I am going back to the style page now. Now first, I will remove this bullet. For that, li open curly brackets in the 23rd line and in the middle of the 24th line, I give as list-style non-semicolon. Let's see if the previous bullets in this list have been removed. Now click the refresh icon in the previously opened preview window. Look, now there is no bullets in this list. So now let's use an asterisk mark instead. Now let's go back to the style page. Now from the 26th line, it is given as li before. That part means that the styles we enter now should be displayed in front of this list item. Now open curly brackets in the middle of the 27th line, content double quotation, the asterisk mark is given inside it. Now apply the semicolon and come to the 28th line. From this line, the tag is given which is needed to change the size of the asterisk mark. Now type as font-weight bold semicolon from the 29th line. In the 30th line, I provide the code needed to change the color of this asterisk mark. Now let's see if the asterisk mark we applied has been added to these list items. Click on the refresh icon in the previously opened preview window. Look, in the list we created, the asterisk mark has been added in front of these items. Now we need to line up this center list nicely. For that, I will make some changes to these list items. I go back to the style page. Now in the 32nd line, I type as div ul open curly brackets. This is also another type of selectors. We call this selector as descendant combinator. From this section, we can make changes to another tag inside a tag. Now from this section, we can change all the UL tags inside this div tag. Okay, now let's write this code. Now I left align the letters in this part of the 33rd line. Now I change the size of this UL tag in this way. Now from the 35th line, I will change the margin. We have now changed the necessary parts. Let's see the output. Click the refresh icon in the previously opened preview window. Look, the item in the list we have made has changed like this.